Hello, beautiful humans, blessed Ostara, and a happy equinox. Today we're looking on how to celebrate Ostara, the spring equinox. Ostara is the perfect time to welcome spring and revel in all that it provides. Days are growing longer, the soil is warm, and new green starts to appear on trees and in the garden as spring returns. The spring equinox is a time to celebrate new beginnings, growth, love, and fertility in all of its aspects of nature and your own life. It's celebrated with symbolism like eggs, rabbits, new bulbs of flower, and seedlings bursting forth from the earth. Many of us celebrate these symbols to represent the fertility of spring and incorporate them into rituals and celebratory feasts. Think about some other items that might represent new beginnings for you. Ask yourself, what do you want to create for yourself in the coming year? What seeds will you plant? What intentions will you set? As nature reawakens, we can take advantage of the feeling of rebirth and regrowth each spring. We see this concept reflected around us in the soft green buds on the trees and colorful flower shoots that are beginning to peep out through the layers of snow. We see it as the sun grows stronger and warmer each day. And sometimes we'll get really lucky and have an unseasonably bright day where we can take off our winter jackets and open the windows, even if it's just for a short few hours in the afternoon. As the earth comes back to life each spring, so do we. The spring equinox is the perfect time of year to embrace these new beginnings and nurture new changes in your life. It is also a time to honor the beauty and wonder that is life. And I'd like to take this time to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button so other people out there that may be seeking for this type of information can easily find it. Okay, now let's get back to it. Now, many themes are associated with this Sabbath, each offering its own ideas for celebrations. During this time, we honor the goddess Ostara. She is a German goddess of spring and fertility. She awakens the earth after winter, encouraging it to grow and flourish. Traditional activities include washing in dew or running water to promote beauty. Eggs and cross buns are traditional foods. Rituals to honor Ostara may be held early in the day, as her special time is dawn. Decorate with sunrise colors, peach, pink, yellow, gold, plus the pale greens of spring. And this is a time of balance. Equinox means equal night. That is, day and light are of equal length at this time. On the spring equinox, dark and light are balanced, and light is growing stronger. This symbolizes other types of balance in our lives. A celebration of balance usually includes counterpoints. Meditate on the balance. Now, by this time, the growing season has started. Early plants are sprouting and blooming. Seedling trees and shrubs are planted so they can get a head start on the grass. Seeds for spring and early summer crops, such as peas and lettuce, can be planted as soon as the ground becomes workable. Thus, many Ostara celebrations focus on plants and seeds. Decorate with flowers from blooming twigs. Alfalfa or bean sprouts are decorative and edible, as are certain flowers. Saffron, a precious spice made from crocus flowers, is an ideal offering or seasoning. For a ritual activity, consider planting seeds to represent hopes and plans. Animal correspondings for Ostara includes those which bear their young at or near this time of year, and those associated with abundance. Rabbits and hares, ducks and chickens, lambs and goats all appear, often as babies. They are sacred to Ostara and other goddesses of spring. Celebrate by honoring just one animal or all of them. Decorate eggs and hide and hunt. Tell stories about myths and legends about the animals. If you raise any of these as livestock, consider a blessing for them. Many traditions surround the decorations and display of eggs in spring festivals. You can dye eggs with herbs, with Easter egg kits, or with wax and dye. Decorate with traditional symbols, runes, or ogam to impart meaning to the eggs. Runes are especially apt. Look up their symbols and background and interpretations. If you then hide and hunt the eggs, they can serve as a fun type of divination, hinting what you might find in the coming year. Let's look at different types of spring seasonal offerings that are symbolically connected with Ostara. Eggs represent fertility and the universe. As the days lengthen, chickens lay more eggs. Boiled eggs, deviled eggs, egg salad, omelet, quiche, and other egg dishes are all ideal for Ostara. Seeds stand for the planting season and greening world. Flower seeds such as sunflower seeds or poppy seeds are especially appropriate. Fish becomes available again as the ice thaws, exposing rivers and lakes full of hungry mouths. Dairy foods are readily available in spring as cows, goats, and sheep give abundant milk. Green vegetables mark the return of fresh foods. Early choices include asparagus, lettuce, peas, and sprouts. Edible flowers can add color and interest, also representing spring, like lilac, chive, clover, and violet. Adjust according to your food preference. These are just suggestions. I stick to fish and chicken and seasonal vegetables, and I have many vegetarian friends that don't include meat in their feasts at all. Allow nature to be your guide and find your inspiration there. Go for a spring walk. Harvest fallen items from the woods and meadows and other areas near your home and bring them home and celebrate the season. However you decide to celebrate, the choice is yours. I would like to know, how do you celebrate Ostara? Share with us in the comments below. And enjoy this new season of awakening and be kind to yourself.